बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सो आज हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं क्लेमेटस नथिया गली के बारे में। क्लेमेटस नथिया गली जो है ये क्लाउड का एक प्रोजेक्ट है, जो एक होटल चेन है, ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे नथिया गली में ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं। और आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि वाई एमलाक हैज़ चोजन दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ आवर एंटायर प्रोफाइल, जिसके अंदर फ्लैटीज़ अयूबिया भी शामिल है, उसके अलावा 66 गुलबर्ग, गोल्डन ट्यूलिप इस्लामाबाद। हम इसमें क्यों इन्वेस्ट करने जा रहे हैं? यू सी, every project is not same. Every project Imlaq has on board has different उसके उसमें ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं, उसका वो डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम द अदर प्रोजेक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल लाहौर 66 इज़ अ सर्विस अपार्टमेंट बिल्डिंग, गोल्डन ट्यूलिप इस्लामाबाद इज़ प्योरली इंटरनेशनल चेन ऑफ होटल्स, वो होटल रूम्स की बिल्डिंग है. फ्लैटीज़ यूबिया इज़ अ मिक्स ऑफ सर्विस अपार्टमेंट, स्काई विलास एंड होटल रूम्स. एंड दिस particular project is unique in its own self, because not only that it is located right inside main central hub of Nathia Gali, और यानी आप नथिया गली बाज़ार में, आई हैव अ वीडियो देयर, आप नथिया गली बाज़ार के अंदर से जैसे ही बाहर निकलते हैं, सेरेनिटी विद 400-500 मीटर्स अहेड यू विल फाइंड दिस ब्यूटीफुल होटल. नाउ इस होटल की ख़ास बात क्या है? लेट्स डिस्कस दोज वन बाय वन, and why we chose to invest and how it is uniquely different from so many other hotels which are operating there. The first and foremost, it is a mix of service apartment building and a hotel, and we discussed previously as well that service apartments are usually offering us more returns because उनके ऊपर जो running costs हैं वो कम है. So this hotel offers you a unique opportunity to book it for longer stays, because every room, every apartment in this hotel has its own small kitchenette, and of course that helps with people who want to stay there for longer term. होटल रूम्स के अंदर आपको नॉर्मली ये फैसिलिटी नहीं मिलती. उसके अलावा इसके अंदर बहुत सारी अमेनिटीज़ हैं, एंड आई विल जस्ट गो थ्रू देम क्विकली, विच मेक्स इट ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ यूनिक, बिकॉज इस तरह का होटल जो है, बुटीक होटल, स्मार्टर होटल, is kind of unique and gives you a lot more opportunities than some big hotels chains over there in terms of earning money. सबसे पहले आता है कि सेकंड कप इसके रूफटॉप है, that is being operated by Second Cup Coffee. Then we have a fine dining restaurant, then we have spa, Turkish hammam and an infinity pool within this building. So ये तो एक जनरल इसकी हमने आपको आउटलाइन बता दी. But why is it unique? The most important thing is that besides having service apartments and supporting longer stays, it has only got 40 to 44 rooms in it. Now, what that translates into is a higher occupancy. Smaller, more compact building with much less expenses than resorts as such. And of course, right within that Nathia Gali Bazaar, it gives us that opportunity where we can earn a lot more money than maybe even resorts earn, right? So in comparison, when you're talking about who is gonna earn more, you have to understand that it's not necessarily the bigger is probably not gonna win always, and it has its own dynamics, right? So I want to correct this concept here for a lot of people who are watching this video. A lot of people think that if some big brand is coming, or if a 5-star or 6-star hotel is coming, it's going to earn you more money. No, it may be a very good brand, it may operate, it may look very good on paper, it may feel that you own something extra luxurious, but it's not necessarily going to make a lot more money for you. What's going to make a lot more money for you is what and how it is being operated, and what kind of target market it is targeting or looking forward to, plus what is the structure of the building. So for example, I make a 200, 300, 400 bedroom hotel, but if I do not have a capacity, or I do not have the tourism for those 500 rooms, well, guess what? Even if I am the biggest brands out there, I'm Grand Hyatt, right? I will fail miserably to make investments for the people. All expenses, whatever I'm earning is going to be put back in to cater to the expenses. So bigger is not better, right? And that is what we want to teach you guys. And we have to understand that when we looked into this investment, I realized something very special about this, and that is that this has the potential to earn a lot more money many other huge chains out there. Because it is compact, it means less expenses and it means more and more occupancy for you guys. And the more occupancy means more income for you guys. So that's the most important catch when it comes to this building. Now, there are a couple of more things which obviously add to its charm, and that is, of course, it has a banquet hall, it caters to all those things. It also has a business and conference rooms which cater to business people. But additionally, what the developer over here is doing is that they are adding, some very special automations to this building. Not only to cut down the expenses, but also to add to the better customer experience. And that's something which is really unique. So now, for example, we have been discussing this, right? If you have an automated check-in, if you have an automated checkout, and let's suppose if you're earning 100 rupees, and because of all these automated features which are coming in into this building, our target is to ensure that all these, expenses which we were paying to the people at the reception, which we were paying to the people for check-ins and checkouts, that are not anymore applicable, and that obviously reduces the expenses. So that's one thing जो हमें इस होटल के अंदर बिल्कुल मिलती है, and I think that's a very important highlight of this project and why I believe that you can make a lot of more money and a lot more rental income than maybe some other huge projects out there or resorts. And again, I emphasize again कि जब भी आपने रेंटल के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है तो बिगर इज बेटर ना सोचें. आई नो दैट दैट कम्स इनटू माइंड एंड दैट पीपल टॉक अबाउट ऑल द grandeur and big and huge. A lot of time, many big things actually take more than 5-6 years to even build, and that destroys your return on investment completely in terms of capital appreciation. Then even when they get built, and if they are too big, right? And for example, मुझे गाड़ियों का इतना पता नहीं है, but it's more like buying a very luxurious car which looks very good on paper, everything. It adds to your persona, it adds to your profile, but it's costing you $100 a cup once you're going through for a few kilometers drive on it. So exactly the same problem exists. You have to understand the structure and understand whether this building, this particular project is going to make money for you or not. Now, besides that, now I'm going to focus on some of other things, how you can make money from this project. And that is very interesting because we were able to get some awesome payment plans from the cloud. I'm grateful for their management for that. And those awesome payment plans which have become the landmark of Imlaq as well, which include post-possession payment plans, 20% discounts on 80% payments, and we have already explained how those payment plans transform your entire return on investment, and now we are also going to explain that to you in terms of Clematis and how that helps you make much better returns than any other investments. Again, this is purely based on the payment plan. In this part I'm not going to discuss कि जनाब वो बेस्ट उसकी ऑक्यूपेंसी स्टेटस क्या है, चीज़ें कैसे है, बट अगर सिर्फ हम उसको इन पिक्चर करें रिगार्डिंग द पेमेंट प्लान्स और वो पेमेंट प्लान्स कैसे आपको असिस्ट करते हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू. सो लेट्स गो बैक, लेट्स go to our lovely board and let's see what happens. Okay, so we have some payment plans available. The first payment plan is again a 30-month post-possession payment plan. So let's suppose we have a project and apartment over here. I will call them apartments. These are actually not hotel rooms. So 2 crore रुपए का apartment है. You have to pay in 2 years only 1.4 crores, and that's it. So in terms of this actually means that you are going to become owner of this particular service apartment at 30% less than the price it actually is. सो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर इस वक्त प्राइस हमारी जो है वो दैट इज 38,000 per square feet. This is fully furnished and everything, you know, ready to lease kind of property. So 38,000 के अंदर से अगर आप 30% निकालते हैं, and let me give you a quick calculation, that means you will only own it at 26,600 per square feet. Now 26,600 रुपए के अंदर you know, this smart boutique service apartment building right in the heart of Nathia Gali, that's surely something you really want to never miss out. Acha, now this is one payment plan. This is how post-possession payment plan helps you, you know, grab this opportunity at only this price. अच्छा, बाकी जो आपके पैसे हैं, of course, after post-possession, you can pay it off through your rentals for the next 30 months. So it's a 1% plan, which is our, you know, brand mark as well, and we want to give that in all of our projects. So ये आपको 26,600 रुपये में पड़ा और बाकी के जो 12,000 रुपये है वो आपने इंस्टॉलमेंट्स पे दिया. Now how that translates into a return on investment. So if you are a capital appreciation hunter, let's go deeper a bit. Let's suppose इस 38,000 के ऊपर जो है वो प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर 12,000 रुपये का इजाफा हुआ या 13,000 रुपये का इजाफा हुआ, तो बाय द टाइम यू हैव द पोजेशन द प्रॉपर्टी जस्ट ओनली गोज टू, जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैं इसको 52,000 कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको ईजी हो जाए. एंड हाउ मच यू हैव पेड? 26,600, right? So once you sell this property in 2 years and you have paid this much, you're selling it at 52,000, that means approximately 14,000 per square feet profit you can make, right? थोड़ा सा मैंने किया, मैंने ज़्यादा अभी इसमें प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी नहीं डाली है, just said this much is fair enough. तो अगर 14,000 आप कर रहे हैं on a price of 26,600, that means you're getting around about 60%. And 60% in how much time? That is 2 years only. Because इस बिल्डिंग की जो एक और अच्छी बात है कि इसका ग्रे स्ट्रक्चर तकरीबन कंप्लीट हो चुका है. The superstructure is 80% complete, and you know, within 2 years, and 2 years is even more, but we are believing, you know, just giving it a little bit more leverage. It may take like 2 years. So 2 साल में आपको 60%, which is roughly equal to a 30% return on investment, अगर आप capital appreciation को hunt करना चाहते हैं. For someone who wants to do rental income, it just makes sense not to buy this thing on a post-possession plan. It's better for you to buy this on 2 years plan. And once you buy it on the 2 years plan, our payment plan is designed in a way that it gives you 12% discount straight away. So roughly अगर ये 38,000 है तो ये आपको 38,000 का मिल नहीं रहा. And if you're taking it in a 2 years plan, you're getting a 12% discount on this price, and that roughly 3,800 रुपया वो पीछे हो गया, 3,400, वो something like 33,000 की कॉस्ट पड़ेगी आपको roughly, I think maybe less than that. So आपको 33,000 की कॉस्ट पड़ रही है, right? And 33,000 per square feet की अगर हम बात करते हैं for a 500 square feet apartment or 400 square feet apartment, that means, let's go it for 500 and 33,000. So just to understand, roughly this is only 16 to 18 million की प्राइस में ये आ जाएगा. So अगर 16 to 18 million की प्राइस के अंदर आ रहा है, how is it going to operate? Of course, here again our portal comes into existence. You guys know already, you know, Imlaq is providing our asset management, and you know, after post possession we are also providing you those services and audit and making sure that the occupancy the developers have promised, they're not doing some hanky panky, right? I'm this is, I hope no one takes offense, but this is about having a system, having a regulator around, so we make sure that our investors are always protected, not just while they're investing it, not even when it's being built or being handed over, but even after the possession, we are looking after that investment. So अगर आप करें 17-18 मिलियन या रफली, हमारे पास ज़रा प्राइस ब्रैकेट ज़रा बड़ी है, अपार्टमेंट्स हैं बड़े हैं, 700 स्क्वायर फुट का भी है. तो वो ऊपर चला जाता है. बट एनी केस, for a sake of understanding, if we are taking it at 12% and we take a bigger apartment roughly, and let's suppose कि हम वो कहते हैं वो 20 million का है, for the sake of understanding and simplicity, how much rental income are you expected to earn? Now in this area, when I was there, DoubleTree by Hilton is around 60-70,000 per night, and this standard of apartment would at least goes to similar about 30-35,000 rupees per night, at least, not I'm not accounting for or I'm not boosting these figures higher, right? Or I'm not boasting about them either anyways, right? So neither boosting them, neither boasting them. So we have 35,000 rupees there, and in Galayat, you can rest assured, even because now people are going for winters. Recently, my friends were there in February, and there was 100% occupancy in most of the hotels. So we have a 77% occupancy. That means 21 nights are there, and if there are 21 nights at 35,000, that means कि हमें तकरीबन 7,35,000 रुपया ये एक अपार्टमेंट अर्न करके दे सकता है. दैट्स द पोटेंशियल. नाउ द गुड थिंग इज विद द ऑटोमेशन एंड स्टाफ, नाउ दिस इज वेयर व्हेन आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि जनाब जो ऑटोमेशन इसके अंदर है उसकी वजह से इसकी रनिंग कॉस्ट जो है वो कम हो जाएगी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज वेयर यू गोना सी दैट इम्पैक्ट. सो आई बिलीव कि इट शुड बी समवेयर अराउंड 40% और समथिंग. सो अब जो है ना वो मैजिक आपको नज़र आएगा कि जो हम आपको पहले बता रहे थे कि जी कि इसके अंदर जो है वो आपके एक्सपेंसेस या रनिंग एक्सपेंसेस कम होंगे, बिकॉज इट्स अ मोर लाइक अ सर्विस अपार्टमेंट बिल्डिंग. सो 7,35,000 के अंदर से अगर 40% के एक्सपेंसेस रहे, क्योंकि सर्विस अपार्टमेंट में आई बिलीव इट्स 40% नॉट 50% लाइक अदर इन होटल्स एंड स्टाफ. तो 7,35,000 का मतलब ये है कि जी कि ये 4 लाख रुपए से ऊपर की कमाई, 4,41,000 रुपया टू बी एग्जैक्ट, जो है ये पर मंथ आपको रेंटल इनकम दे सकता है. So now this is the catch over here, and yet this is not it, because इसके अंदर भी Imlaq is bringing double ROI for you, right? Our double ROI starts with कि आपको 70% मिलेगा of your net rental, and you will also get 30%. You're partnering actually with the Second Cup Cafe as well, right? And the fine dining restaurant and the banquet halls and the room service and everything, जो उससे भी होटल कमा रहा है उसका 30% भी आपको मिलेगा. एंड मैं नहीं कह रहा कि यार ये 30% इज गोइंग टू बी बिकॉज इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर द एंटायर पूल ऑफ द होटल, और मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि ये लाखों में होगा, करोड़ों में होगा, बट अगर ये 20-30 हज़ार रुपया भी है और ये आपके इसमें ऐड होता है, सो यू आर मेकिंग लाइक समथिंग लाइक 4.6 lakhs. Too good to be true, right? Seems so. But calculations आपके सामने है, math आपके सामने है. You can look at the rents over there in that area, occupancy statuses. So this is all maths logic. There is nothing there which which I'm doing something which is not which is something different. So the only thing which is we do not have any 20 million apartments left actually. So even if we're talking about 25 million or 26 million, even with 25 million, this is too much, right? I still can't believe it myself that why this number is so big. लेकिन ये नंबर इतना ही है. So अगर अब आपको ज़रा just to make it more clearer to you guys and just with the accurate figures, let's do it again. So हमारे पास यहाँ के ऊपर जो approximate price है वो इस वक्त जा रही है about 25 to 28 million, right? और 25 to 28 million के अंदर वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये जो अपार्टमेंट है पर्टिकुलर ये आपको 4.5 lakhs से 4.8 lakhs तक बनाने का इसका पोटेंशियल है. आई एम नॉट प्रॉमिसिंग दिस, आई एम नॉट गारंटिंग दिस, but that is the potential out there. And if you're buying something with the potential, it's more like yes, I have a car which can go 200 miles, but I'm not always driving it at 200 miles. So जिस चीज़ का potential 4.5 lakhs 4.8 lakhs easily है, तो मर के कुछ नहीं तो 2.5-3 लाख तो कमा के देगी ना यार. चलो यही फिगर लगा लेते हैं आपका कि 2.5-3 लाख रुपया कमा देती है. दैट लुक्स टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. सो अगर 2.5-3 लाख रुपये भी कमा देती है सारे मैथ्स के बावजूद भी, सो व्हाट एल्स डू यू वांट फ्रॉम दिस प्रॉपर्टी, राइट? So for all of those who are chasing return and rental income, trust me, this is one of the best investments out there. It's a service apartment building, totally managed like a complete hotel. So this is what makes this investments. So you can take, the post-possession payment plans and enjoy it at 26,000 rupees per square feet, right? Either 38,000 or either you can take it at this price and enjoy a higher rental income, or there's a third thing which you can do with this, right? Which is again amazing, because we are amazing. And that is, we are offering a 2-year cashback if you pay 100% upfront. So this is only for 2 years, right? I don't want you guys telling me that I talk so much negative about rental guarantees and then I'm giving those rental guarantees. Well, this is not a rental guarantee, this is a cashback, this is a discount. You can take it in 2 ways. You can take an upfront discount of 20% from us, or you can take it in 2 years as 30%. So we can give you at a 30% discount for 2 years and pay upfront, right? So you can again get it at 26,000 rupees per square feet, right? With a 30% discount if you pay upfront. So that makes it again a very valid investment. Now if the price goes to 52,000, which we said previously, that means you are going to make 100% ROI if you sell it out within 2 years. That's a 50% return on investment. दोबारा बता देता हूँ, right? To make it understand. अगर आप इसको लेते हैं 100% कैशबैक के ऊपर, तो आपको ये अपार्टमेंट जो है 38,000 रुपये में पड़ेगा, बट आपको 30% पैसे 2 साल में वापस मिल जाएंगे। तो टेक्निकली 2 साल के बाद आपको 38,000 में से 12,000 रुपया वापस मिल गया होगा, तो आपको ये कॉस्ट कर रहा होगा 26,000 का। तो 30% प्रॉफिट आपको ये हो गया, ठीक है। अब अगर 2 साल में हम कहते हैं पोजेशन के वक्त आज 38,000 रुपया प्राइस है, पोजेशन तक ये 50,000 52,000 रुपये। 52,000 मैंने इसलिए किया बिकॉज इट लुक्स गुड, आई एग्री, आई एम ग्रीडी, 52,000 लुक्स गुड। मैंने यहाँ पे 50,000 नहीं किया, right? I could do that, but 52,000 just sounds too good, right? So I've kept it 52,000. I've added 14,000 from the price actually को इतनी और 14,000 को इतनी ज़्यादा बड़ी मैंने ऐड नहीं किया कि मैंने 38,000 को 70,000 कर दिया। So these are very realistic figures. लेकिन चूंकि अब आपको 26,000 का पड़ा और आप 52,000 में बेच रहे हैं, तो 2 सालों में आप, so this for me is the best return on investment anywhere in entire Galiath you can find. And this is purely maths, and this is the magic of that compound, payment plans we talk about, and that's how you can make the best out of it. And that's why you can come to us and we can tell you exactly, how to make most from the developers, right? Just let those developers run for their money, and this is what we are doing right here. So आपने 50% कमा लिया, आपकी बात मान लेते हैं, नहीं होता 52,000, नहीं होता 52,000, ठीक है जी। आपको 26,000 में पड़ा है, 40 हो जाता है, 45 हो जाता है, ओके 40-45,000 कर लेते हैं। 38,000 तो आप बहना यार, और बेच चुके हैं सारा, वो 5, 6, 7, 8 अपार्टमेंट पड़े हैं, तो सारा बिक चुका है इस रेट के ऊपर। तो अब अगर 45,000 में भी चला जाता है तो 100% नहीं होगा, 80% हो जाएगा यार। तो 40% रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट कहां पे मिलता है भाई? सिंपल मैथ्स, कोई हम फिगर्स ऊपर नीचे नहीं कर रहे, बड़े रियलिस्टिक फिगर्स देंगे आपको। सो दैट इज समथिंग विच यू कैन डू as well by paying 100%, taking a cashback. Still, some of you may say कि मेरे पास जो है वो 28 मिलियन नहीं है, so how can I make a higher ROI? So this is where someone who has 28 to 30 million, he gets the best, investment returns in this project. But what if you do not have 28 million? Damn it, right? You're thinking like, what the hell happened here, right? Why can't I invest, right? So no, we have taken care of you, brother or sisters, whoever is watching this, we have taken care of that, right? What we are doing over here is we are giving you a 20% discount if you give us only 80% payment. So how does this translate, right? A 20% discount. Let's suppose there is an apartment over there which is of 30 million. You do not have 30 million, but you still want to make a return on investment, and you cannot take 30% cash back because you cannot give them 30 million. But now if you give them 24 million, right? Because you're getting a 20% discount, you're not getting a cash back this time. So you give them So do you have 24 million? There you go. You do not have to pay 30 million. You actually only pay 24 million. Oh, again, you know, there's a little bit more to the 24 million actually. Because आप 24 मिलियन भी नहीं दे रहे, 24 मिलियन तो टोटल है, आप इस 24 मिलियन का भी 80% दे रहे हैं. तो 24 मिलियन का 80% क्या है? 24 मिलियन का 80% बनता है 19 मिलियन, और बाकी का जो ये 5 मिलियन बनता है ये आपने देना है ऑन पोजेशन आफ्टर 2 years, राइट? सो आपने 19 मिलियन दिया एंड यू टेक दिस अपार्टमेंट. आपके पास 30 मिलियन नहीं था, आप कैशबैक पे नहीं जाना चाहते थे, अनफॉर्चुनेटली अब जा ही नहीं सकते थे. तो आपने 19 मिलियन में भी आपने वही अपार्टमेंट खरीद लिया 19 मिलियन दे के, और 20% डिस्काउंट भी ले लिया, राइट? क्योंकि आपने ये 19 मिलियन का ले लिया, लेकिन अब इसको ट्रांसलेट करना है इनटू प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. सो लेट्स सपोज अगेन यू आर अ कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन हंटर, विच आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन हंटर्स, बट स्टिल इफ यू वांट टू डू कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन, आपने 19 मिलियन का लिया, ये बना तकरीबन 24,000 रुपया पर स्क्वायर फीट के साथ, ये आपने पैसे दिए, राइट? आपको ये अपार्टमेंट जो है एट 20% डिस्काउंट इज कॉस्टिंग यू 30,000 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट. पैसे आपने 24,000 के दिए हैं. नाउ लेट्स सपोज द सेम थिंग विच हैपन्स कि अब ये 52,000 का हो चुका है ऑन ग्राउंड. सो यू गो बैक आफ्टर 2 years और आप ये 5 मिलियन नहीं देते हैं, लेट्स सपोज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग नहीं देते, आपको देना पड़ेगा, बट इवेंचुअली उसके फ़ौरन बाद आप बेच देंगे तो ये इतना लंबा चौड़ा काम नहीं होगा. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू सेल इट एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम, आपका रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट जो है वो बेसिकली कैलकुलेट हो रहा है 24,000 के ऊपर. आपको जो है वो रफली मिल रहा है 22,000. 24,000 रुपया लगा के पर स्क्वायर फीट आपको 22,000 रुपया प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, विच इज़ अगेन इक्वल टू 90%, 95% ऑफ द प्रॉफिट. सो यू कैन, whether you have 30 million or whether you have 19 million, you can still roughly make 80 to 100% return on investment in Clematis Nathia Gali through just capital appreciation in 2 years. Now, अगर आप इसको रफली नॉर्मल प्राइसिंग में देंगे या उस तरीके से करेंगे तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, राइट? बट दिस इज वेयर एवरीथिंग कम्स इनटू प्ले. वी एट एब्लाक हैव ब्रॉट डाउन दीज काइंड ऑफ पेमेंट प्लान्स जो इतने फ्लेक्सिबल हैं, और डेवलपर्स जो हैं दे हैव एग्रीड टू टेक दिस पेमेंट प्लान्स बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो बेनिफिशियल फॉर देम. बिकॉज राइट नाउ इफ यू सी द डेवलपर इज गेटिंग बेनिफिटेड बिकॉज ही इज गेटिंग ऑल हिज मनी इन कैश अप फ्रंट, एंड दैट इज वेयर he is able to bring the cost of his construction down. अपना वो रिस्क जो है वो कम कर देता है, उसकी बिल्डिंग जो है वो कंप्लीशन पे जाती है, तो ऑफ कोर्स उनको भी फ़ायदा होता है. सो वी आर ब्रिजिंग दैट गैप, वी आर मेकिंग अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर द डेवलपर, अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर यू, एंड अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर अस दैट वी विल बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग यू इन दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो ये तो है इसके पेमेंट प्लान्स का जादू, जो तकरीबन हमारे तमाम प्रोजेक्ट्स में आपको मिलेगा, बट इसमें कुछ डिफरेंट अंदाज से मिलेगा क्योंकि इसमें टाइम लाइन्स हर प्रोजेक्ट की डिफरेंट है. कोई 1 साल में आ रहा है उसके अंदर उसका इम्पैक्ट डिफरेंट है, कोई 2 साल में आ रहा है उसका इम्पैक्ट डिफरेंट है, और ऑफ कोर्स दीज लिटल स्मॉल कैलकुलेशंस मेक ऑल द डिफरेंस व्हेन इट कम्स टू रियल एस्टेट. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट all. If you are someone who is looking for luxurious living like Sky Villas we have already at Flatties, well, if Ayubia is a bit far from Nathia Gali, you can just own penthouse right here in the heart of Nathia Gali at Clematis. We have 2 penthouses available. That's it, guys. So the window is very small. That's all, guys. I think now You know, I'm telling you the philosophy, how Emlak brings these projects and why we take pride that we're bringing, you know, these kind of investment transactions which are really, really profitable, and why they actually are. So in this video, we have explained all of that for you. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Inshallah, my team will respond to you immediately. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.